Welcome to watch today's fresh home. In Paris, a small space inspired by a Monet painting. In an old building in the 16th arrondissement, Studio Harp has redesigned a 42 square meters interior, brought to life by the poetry of an impressionist work and exterior foliage. While the renovation of this small Parisian space is Studio Harp's first project, it's no less promising. Olivia and Jeffrey Mexme, founders of this young agency, are brother and sister in the city and work partners. Respectively an interior designer and a building expert, they form an inspired duo. For their first project, they admirably renovated a 42 square meter three-room apartment in a tree-lined cul-de-sac in the 16th arrondissement. The building, dating from 1860, already offered beautiful light, but the space lacked functionality and charm. Studio Harp therefore worked to transform the space into an elegant and unique Parisian apartment.